LG V20 Screen Replacement Guide.
Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you will need plastic triangle opening tool, nylon spudger, fine tip curved tweezers, premium 2mm red adhesive roll, multi-purpose heat gun, professional Phillips screwdriver, playing cards, power down your LG V20 phone, press the release button to remove the LG V20's metal battery cover. Easily lift out the 3200 mAh replaceable LG V20 battery. Remove the following 21 Phillips screws. These screws are different sizes, so be sure to remember where they go. With the triangle opening tool in hand, extricate the tight-fitting top and bottom metal covers. After attacking some pryable clips, pop off the LG V20 exterior midframe with ease. Disconnect the front-facing camera and display cable from the motherboard. Spudge up the LG V20 motherboard. Pluck out the 5-megapixel LG V20 front-facing camera, no tools necessary. Tweeze up the LG V20 earpiece speaker. The next components to surrender are the LG V20 vibrator and a microphone. Pry the 3.5mm headphone jack out of the chassis. Use the tweezers to carefully peel up the display cables.
The 5.7-inch LG V20 Quad HD IPS display assembly is glued on solidly to the interior midframe. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. Use a playing card to slice through the sticky adhesive and decouple the LG V20 screen from the midframe. All of the replacement parts and repair tools used in this video are available at www.DIYMobileRepair.com.
Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.